Good morning! Welcome to our show, Mornings with Tracy. And today we have our guests Franco Marquez and Riley Bulan.
Good morning, Tracy, and thank you for having us in your show.
So tell me, what do you guys do?
We are the founders of the Independent Learning School. We created this online school to make learning more accessible for people around the world.
Oh, that's great! I heard you had something prepared for us today. A little demonstration.
Yes, we do! Now we will define first the rational root theorem. The rational root theorem states that if a rational number L over f in lowest term is a root for the polynomial equation where all are integers, then L is a factor of a constant and f is a factor of an leading coefficient. Now these are 3 questions in 3 difficulties. Okay, for the easy question, what are the possible zeros of px equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6? For the solution, we must find L, f, and L over f. To get L over f, we must divide the last and first possible zeros. And for the next step, you need to use synthetic division on negative 2, positive 3, and positive 1/2. And there you have it. The rational zeros of px are 1/2, negative 2, and positive 3. Okay, let's go to the average level now. The question is, find all the rational zeros of px equals 2x to the power of 4 plus x cubed minus 19x squared minus 9x plus 9. For the solution, you must find the factors of the constant term, factors of the leading coefficient, and the possible values of L over f. To get these rational zeros, you must use synthetic division on 1/2, 3, negative 3, and negative 1.
Okay, so the difficult question. Solve for the factors of negative 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x and explain how to solve a polynomial with no constant. Since there is no constant, we have to factor out x. So it's going to be x times negative 2x squared minus 2x plus 2. Then it's going to be 2 plus minus square root of 20 over negative 4. Then adding to that, it's going to be 2 plus minus 2 square root of 5 over negative 4. Then the final solution will be 1 plus minus 2 square root of 5 over negative 2. Then, so the zeros is going to be 0 and 1 plus 2 square root of 5 over negative 2. And lastly, 1 minus 2 square root of 5 over negative 2. And the explanation to this is that you must factor out 0 to make the constant and then you divide as usual.
So now you understand and know the other related theorems of polynomials. Let's have a short recap to this whole video. The rational root theorem states, if px is a polynomial with integer coefficients, if it is a zero of px and px equals 0, then p is a factor of the constant term and px and q is a factor of the leading coefficient of px. Rational roots theorem is a nice handy tool for getting a list of first important guesses while we were trying to estimate the roots of a polynomial. Its possible zeros can be found by writing the factors of constant term, last term, with the factors of leading coefficient or first term, and form a list of rational fractions from those. This calculation provides us a list of possible rational roots, which is actually quite difficult otherwise. Since this theorem given the list of rational roots of a polynomial equation, hence it is named as rational roots theorem.
Wow! Thank you for teaching us this topic. And now, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.